Okay, so to find the reverse light wire without having to go all the way back of the car, turn your key on. If it's an auto, put your brake on, put it in reverse. You see the reverse lights on. Now the RAV4 is on the left hand side. I think it'll be the same whether it's the right hand side or left hand drive vehicle. By the door, you can take this panel here off. There's a little plastic screw down here which you'll have to undo by hand, and then the panel just clips off, and then you'll find under there a junction connector box and cables that go all the way down to the back. Inside that cable loom there is a red wire with a gold dot on it. If you've got your car in reverse, hook up a multimeter to confirm to there's a earth right there. Find a little spot that you can put a little hole in it, and you'll see on the multimeter it will go, because the reverse lights are on. It's quite tricky with one hand. It'll go to 12 volts. And then to confirm you've got the right wire, take it out of reverse and you'll see it goes back to 0. So that's your wire there. Say if you're running it all the way to the back of the car, all you have to do is put it on the stereo, behind the glove box or behind your steering wheel, down into here, and then just wire tap it into that red wire. I'm going to do it right in there, and then I can put that panel back on. Use the wire tap, so don't cut the cable, just use the tap that allows you to add another wire, and that will be your trigger for your reverse camera.